Sit time.
Jag är inte live.
Jag säger hej till kameran.
Hej.
I'm going on a trip and I don't get in. I need a big change.
Boarding and you'll find my channel.
Vi måste köra det.
Jag klipper bort dem. Jag klipper bort det.
Är de här?
I wake up, pull up my pillow, feel like hey. And the coffee ain't hit that great. Cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not. I need a change life and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm cashing, won't plan to visit. And I feel like I'm winning all, only feels like living. I need on time hitting, moving on till I get it. Let's go. I wake up, pull up my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bed. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, damn ain't that great. Wanna go to work cause my body even that fit. I need a change in my life and there's nothing that makes me happy. For a minute, I'm about to gym for a ticket.
Against us.
Okay. No, I'm not live. I'm recording. Right, nightlife in Stockholm. Nej, 260. YouTube, Floyd Travel, nightlife in Stockholm. 360.
You had to stop.
Ja, men jag klipper bort.
Ta 2 minuter. Ja, här har vi en som har kameraativ. Jag säger hej till kameran. 87 000 följare.
Är det så?
YouTube.
Hej!
Ida! Nice to meet you. Roberto.
Okej, bara lägger oss av.
Hej.
90.
Ja.
Men du är svensk.
But what's... Tell me, where's East? You gonna go there?
Yeah. Okay, yes. You.
I've been...
Stand aside.
Ask me, but listen to me.
Yeah.
Are you gonna come in?
You can come in. You can come in.
Go for the next one.
Yes. You're making great
I
content.
don't have any phone.
The nightlife in Stockholm.
Sweden.
Yes.
It's really
The channel one about nightlife around.
from your phone?
No.
I'm a bit nervous that I might screw.
Men som ska travel.
I guess I'll try it on. What you gonna do for how you gonna be? What you gonna be? Don't plan to visit, this is just the beginning.
Ja, jag ser det, jag ser det.
Yes.
Together.
No.
This are together.
Yes.
Do you have something? Just say, you just point.
Okay. Are you alone? Where are your friends?
I will talk some... what's your YouTube channel, Camille? You need the camera, right?
Yes. You. Yes. Something about nightlife. Welcome to
Stockholm City.
You någonting på engelska.
Stockholm City.
Det är bra gubbar.
Only feel like living, I need it all. You for what you gonna be?
Go, yeah.
Go home, don't drink. Vlog. Vlog.
Är det du som är priset? go.